Hey guys, welcome back
to our channel.
Today we got Chipotle. You want to tell them what you have?
I have
first
French fries and lettuce. And
So
tomatoes.
basically what she has is a bowl, but she wanted like a veggie bowl. So no meat, no rice, no beans, whatever. And then she got French fries on it. So she has lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream. She got some onion and some green peppers in there, and then French fries. And now what I have is a chicken bowl. I got almost everything. I got brown rice. I got black beans. Do I have black beans? Or they didn't put the black beans? Anyways, I was supposed to have black beans, but I guess they forgot it. I got the chicken, of course, lettuce, tomato, green peppers, well, the fajita mix, sour cream, and then I set a tortilla on the side because I made my own burrito. And then I have the chips and guac. And then to drink, we both have water.
Water.
So let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna try the chip with the guac. You want some guac? You wanna try it? No?
Thank you.
It doesn't pica. I only said it playing around, but it doesn't pica if you want some.
I don't want some.
No?
Wait, it doesn't pica?
No. Try it.
Okay.
Mhm. It's just avocado with cilantro and onion.
Ah.
But wait a minute now. Don't start going a whole scoop. I'm gonna try the burrito with some guac. Just a little bit. Here.
You're welcome.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's good. Yeah?
Good, good.
Okay, now I'm out. I got some sour cream on the side.
She got sour cream. I got
Yeah, you have a lot of sour cream over there. So I'm gonna put it on my bowl. Okay. Let's see. My bowl. Ooh, the squish. You hear it? The squish of the rice.
Well, she got that. I got French fries.
Want another chip?
Hold and then swallow this.
Okay.
Hold it.
Don't forget to drink some water.
I already drink water.
Okay, just have it open. So this will be our what? Our second mukbang? Because we did one before, so this is our second one.
But you did one with
No, I deleted because it didn't come out right. But this is our second one. And then
like today.
Our next one would be with, because shout out to B Love. I ended up getting her sauce to try, and I got it in mild because I want my baby to try some too, because she loves watching Beloved, and we both want to try her sauce.
You got it now.
You don't want any more? Okay.
Can I show them what I got on my ears?
Oh yeah.
I got some loving earrings. It's like a little hula hoop. It's like a hula hoop.
Mm-hmm.
And I got 2 on the other side. And I got my ears pierced when I was little.
Yes, when you were 3 months old.
3 months old. Tell the friends about your day.
About my day?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we woke up. We had breakfast. Well, she had breakfast. I don't really eat breakfast like that. For lunch, I just had soup, chicken noodle soup. For lunch, she had 2 sandwiches, which consisted of just plain white sliced bread with jamon picao, which in English is potted meat. It's like a Hispanic thing. So she had that for lunch, 2 of those with water. Then we watched some TV. What movie did we watch upstairs?
I don't know.
Was it Toy Story?
No.
Mulan? We watched the Black Panther. Amazing.
Yeah.
Then I put on for her Mulan for a little bit. Then I did my hair straight, which I rarely do. I want to keep doing my hair straight, you know, here and there. I want to continue to do so. Give my hair a break from it being in like ponytails and whatnot. How was your day, Zay?
Good.
Want to tell them what you did?
Uh-huh. So when I woke up, well, sort of woke up, and also I had to...
You had?
Excuse me for a minute. Can I just tell you something, what I did? And when I told you, when I wanted what you made.
The brownie?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And I told my mom, like, I wanted to eat the cupcake brownies for breakfast. And those are so, so good. I love them. Talk about your other day of you waking up.
What other day? Not today.
No, like the other weekend. Which is when I had to go to the doctor. Last weekend.
Nothing really. We just, catch up with your shots and stuff.
That was a long time ago because I had to get my shot. That's why. But I was brave though.
You are a brave girl.
I'm tough.
You want to tell them how old you're going to turn?
I'm going to turn 5.
And what do you want to do for your birthday?
Eat cake.
What kind of cake?
I know a cake.
What?
Chocolate cake.
Really?
And when
you want it from the store, or do you want me to make it?
I want you to make it. Because I love you making stuff.
Okay.
And I want it with my name. Zayla Rodriguez.
Whoa. That's a bit much information to put on a cake.
And a lot of clothes.
No
for
toys?
birthday. No, I just have a lot. Well, maybe some toys.
Like what?
I know which one.
Say it.
I want Miranda Sings.
Is there a toy of Miranda?
Yeah, kind of. And when she was pregnant with her baby, because she wanted a cast on her so she could make her face. The belly was her face and the big old things. And she put her eyes right here. That's what she put. Like the circle eyes. She didn't, well, she has those little eyelashes, but she could put it on her face. That's it. She could put it on her face. If it's like a mask or something, she could like hold it and put it on her face. That's why. And there's like a doll that, like American doll of her. You can make your own.
Of Miranda?
Yeah.
Where?
It's in her room.
Oh.
Yeah. But she also is Colleen Ballinger. Also that. She turns into Miranda Sings.
That's right. Who else do you like watching on YouTube?
JoJo.
Who else?
Brian. And Emily Posey. Posey. That's Emily's little sister, which is Posey can walk because Posey knows how to walk, but Emily, she knows how to carry Posey. And I know how to carry baby Ryan because he is so cute and chunky.
Who else do you like watching?
Maybe I like watching
The
Brant Fam.
well, that's part of.
Yeah.
What about the ones that sing "Giddy Up"? Who's that?
Catherine and Austin, the Ace family.
Yes.
I like Giddy Up is going
Okay, don't sing no more, because then we're gonna get copyrighted. We don't want to get copyrighted, so don't keep singing, because it's not our song.
No, I just like the song. Though.
Me too. I like the song, but I like their new one that they just came out with.
Yeah, because
Only One. I like it.
Yeah, because it's coming out for her birthday.
It
already did.
Yeah, Giddy Up came out.
Yeah.
No, it came out the day before.
Yeah, when I was
my
at
birthday.
My cousin's house. Tell them about what you like to watch on YouTube.
I like to watch a few mukbang channels like B Loves Life.
She loves to watch.
But I thought I was gonna tell them.
I know, but now I'm telling them like what you used to watch with me when I had like those, when you cooked those sandwiches for me. Yeah, those sandwiches with the cheese and it melt. It tastes good. Yeah, it was. What was that again?
A cheese sandwich?
Yeah. What was that?
Oh, grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, grilled cheese.
Movie, that YouTuber again. What was it?
What were they doing? Were they eating?
No, they was making stuff where they like. But the mom with the blue hair, short one, and she's all crazy. She says, "Treasure." She's all funny.
The Mama Mind Show.
Yeah.
Hello, honey. That's yes.
That's my
My goodness, you still remember? You like watching Ale? Yeah, you love watching Ale.
I like Jeannie. And
I love Mama Mind. Mama Mind is my favorite.
Yeah, Mama Mind.
She reminds me of my grandma when I was little. So funny.
Yeah.
Tries to talk in English with that accent, but except we're not from Vietnam. We are Hispanic. But the way that my grandmother would talk in English, it would be a little bit similar to how Mama Mind speaks.
Yeah. But it was my grandma's birthday. I don't know what cake did she have. What did she have? A cake?
Grandma didn't have a cake.
Yes, you did. For her birthday. It was her birthday. Kind of cake.
I don't know. I don't know. Good?
Have one?
So you don't want this?
Yeah. No guac.
No guac, so just throw it out. You just want you want the chip by itself? No?
When I shake my head, my earrings like hit me.
Good.
Yeah. Can we please whisper?
Why do you want to whisper so bad? Why? Tell them why you want to whisper. No.
Because I want to whisper so bad.
Why?
We can do the whole video.
No. I don't want to whisper. This ain't that kind of mukbang, girl. This ain't no ASMR.
What even was that?
I'm mad they didn't put no napkins in the bag.
Huh?
They didn't put no napkins in there.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. A hard onion, which just makes people cry. You have to wash it first. Now I have to wash
Oh my
this
goodness. Why?
because it was on the table.
Oh. Oh my god. I am destroying. Excuse her while she's in the bathroom. I'm destroying this burrito.
Back for the video.
Sit.
I don't want to sit.
Why?
I don't want to sit down. I want to pretend.
Well, they can't see your whole face. Now they can.
They still can't if I'm sitting down with my legs. Seriously.
Okay. Drink some water. If you're getting thirsty.
My thumb hurts.
Why you got a boo-boo?
Yeah.
You got a cut on it?
Yeah, look. Look, right here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I drink it like this? Please.
Why?
Because I want to drink it.
No.
Please. Please. Please, one time.
One time.
Okay.
Before you spill it from laughing.
I had a smile on. If I laugh, it will.
So what other mukbang would you want to do? Zay?
Talking quiet.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Yes.
No ASMR this way. No, ma'am. This burrito's all messed up.
stir it for a minute. Just have to onion. Back. Just had to spit something out. It was in the mouth.
You want to mix the fries together with the lettuce and stuff?
It would taste good.
Show them you know how to eat good. Go ahead. Dig in there.
Wait. Ah, yeah. Okay, good.
I love you.
Yeah, kiss on camera.
What?
Stop kissing on camera.
I don't care. You're my child. And I love you.
But they still can see you.
Yeah, a little bit, but so they can see you more because you need to eat. Gotta eat your food, girl.
Scoot it for a minute.
What, again?
There's something in
No. Now you're gonna stay right there and eat it. Let me doing that.
I have to spit in here.
Mm-mm.
Now two. Who else? Nancy and Michi.
Again?
Yeah. I just
Okay.
want them. And give another shout out to
All I gotta say is I cannot wait to do the seafood boil mukbang with the bee love sauce. I've been dying to try that sauce, and it's been in my cabinet for almost a week. Just been waiting for the right time to get the stuff, to have it all nice and set up.
Crabs, of course, crab. A big crab, a big old fat crab.
Oh no!
A big.
I don't want no king crab. I just want the little ones. I'm not a fan of king crab like that.
Yeah, king crab is big, which is you can't carry.
So I can't wait to put potatoes in it and stuff like that. Corn. I'm dying to try the cucumber with the rice.
Mom.
But since I'm on a diet, I can't have the rice like that.
Mom. Also, you could just put hot Cheetos too.
Are you trying to make my stomach explode? I don't think so, ma'am.
I can eat it.
Oh, excuse me.
Daddy's gonna be in it.
Wait, hot Cheetos with what?
With nothing else.
Just hot Cheetos?
Yeah. And corn. And the beef sauce.
What? Corn, bee love sauce, and hot Cheetos. Girl, that is a cry for help.
Maybe you could dip both, and then it would taste good. Or if you dip blue candy, that would be more. Well, dip blue candy, you could just dip in juice, whatever it is, and it will taste better than the candies ever than you thought. And you could taste it with blueberries or popsicles.
Oh my God.
Like everything you can watch on YouTube. Into them, what you watch?
No. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more videos like this with me and my baby, just leave it down in the comments. You can hit me up on Instagram. It's, if I can remember, it's Tai underscore ZSAI on Instagram. And on Facebook it's the same. Yeah, so let me know. And on that note, we will be going.
Bye.
Say bye.